농사에서 가장 중요한 게 토양 관리인데요. 특히 토양의 EC, 즉 전기 전도도를 측정하는 건 매우 중요합니다. 이 토양 EC가 높은데 많은 퇴비나 비료를 살포하면 오히려 농사를 망치게 되고 많은 병을 유발시키게 됩니다. 물론 토양 분석을 받는 게 제일 좋겠지만 작기마다 하기도 번거롭고 정식, 파종시기 때문에 시간이 없어서 하지 못하기도 합니다. 그리고 생육 중에도 EC를 체크하면 추비 여부나 사용량을 조절하여 내 토양을 관리하는 데 보다 효과적인데요. 하지만 이때 측정기기의 정확도가 매우 중요한데요. 이 정확한 EC 값을 측정하지 못하면 퇴비나 비료를 많이 시비하거나 반대로 적게 시비할 수 있어서 토양, 작물 관리에 오히려 문제가 되기도 합니다. 그래서 저희 코리아그로는 측정기 분야에서 세계적으로 인정받고 있는 블루랩사의 펄스미터를 출시하게 되었습니다. 이 토양의 EC는 물론 수분, 온도를 정확하게 측정하여 토양, 작물 관리에 큰 도움을 주게 될 것입니다.
기록에서 보면은 이렇게 쭉 체크한 날짜별로 이 값들이 나오거든요. 이걸로 보면서 하면 좀 토양 관리에 좀 도움이 되시나요?
네, 많이 도움되죠. 그러니까 기존에 EC가 어느 정도에서 좀 내려갔거나 높아졌거나를 계속 볼 수 있으니까
일자별로
훨씬 편리하죠.
일자별로 뭐 수분 함량이나 이런 수분 함량 같은 거 보시면서 어제보다 수분 함량이 올라갔거나 떨어졌거나 이런 걸 보면서 물 조절을 하시면 될 것 같고요. EC는 보면서 이렇게 날짜별로 보시면서 비료량이나 이런 걸 좀 조절하실 수가 있겠죠. 한눈에 보기 좀 편하게 돼 있으니까 토양 관리하실 때 좀 도움이 많이 될 것 같아요.
펄스미터를 생산하는 블루랩은 유럽, 미국, 아시아, 호주 등 전 세계적으로 제품을 공급하고 있으며 측정기기 분야에서 최고 중 하나로 인정받고 있습니다. 이어서 블루랩의 회사 소개 영상을 보시겠습니다.
BlueLab creates hardware and software solutions to enable controlled environment growers to measure, monitor and control the key parameters of pH, conductivity, temperature and moisture in their crops. The world needs more controlled growing. By 2050, there will be at least 9 billion people on this planet. And if we continue to use the same methods that we have used for thousands of years to grow food, we simply won't have enough water or land to feed these people.
Controlled environment agriculture is no longer a scalable and viable solution for the future world's needs. When we look to controlled environment agriculture, which really holds the promise of significantly higher yields in that surface area with 95% less water, controlled nitrate emissions, but also zero pesticides, positioning itself as a real viable solution for where we need to move to. For 23,000 years now, we've been using open field traditional agricultural methods, and in the last 100 years, we've seen the advent of controlled environment agriculture. So the short time frame really illustrates just how far we need to go to fully realise and overcome these challenges that we have to revolutionise this industry. When you're controlling key parameters in controlled environment like the pH, the nutrient levels, the moisture in the root zone in the water, it's complex. Like you're combining complex engineering systems with really complex biological systems across aeroponics, aquaponics, hydroponics. These are complex systems that we as BlueLab, we need to simplify those, because if we don't, the issue can come when you can have a small change that can have a very devastating impact. For commercial growers, that could be a multi-million-dollar crop loss. For home growers, that could be their food source, and they're the home growers that are pioneering this grow local movement right now. So we really believe and are fascinated in this idea of brilliantly simple solutions for the world's most complex problems. We execute our vision and our purpose through our global team. We've got a team of over 125 people now, distributed over 3 continents and 8 different locations. And it's that global passion around common goals where we come together to solve those big challenges. And it's the purpose which drives us forward, where we're all fascinated and driven by the art of growing for a healthier world. Yeah, a day in a life can start with walking through the door and you've got a melting pot of all these diverse teams working together. We've got engineering teams working on new product developments across hardware and software, but also engineering teams working on capacity-freeing initiatives and our pathway towards automation. We've got a supply chain team coordinating a really complex supply chain in a really complex time, bringing those parts into New Zealand, where all the parts are assembled, packed, tested and dispatched to our global customers in the highest quality that we can achieve. Like the culture is collaborative, it's dynamic, but collaboration is a need, and we have to come together every day to solve these challenges. 2020 has been a significant year for Blue Lab, but it's really positioned controlled environment agriculture as this incredibly important part of the world's food system. At Blue Lab, we're paving the way for the future of controlled environment agricultural growing.